Hi everyone! I'm here with my granddaughter Natalie, and today she's going to do something very fun. Natalie, tell us what we're going to be doing.
Eating spicy noodles. Are
you excited?
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be too spicy for you?
No.
Let's see. Can you show everybody what you're eating? Ooh. Okay, let's get cooking. Natalie, what are we boiling?
Noodles.
I'm draining out the liquid. You having fun, Natalie?
Yep.
Thanks for recording me. You're such a good helper. Okay, let's look over here.
More liquid, a little bit.
All right. What are we doing next, Natalie?
Put on the spicy.
Oh, the spicy? Okay. Let's try. Let's do the sauce.
Yep, the sauce first. Be yummy today.
You're excited?
Yeah, it's yummy.
Yummy?
Next, the pepper, right?
Yeah, the seasoning. What are those? Do you know what those are?
Yep.
Sesame seeds?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's try it. After get almost done.
That looks good. Ooh, Natalie. You're excited. All right, let's eat. How does it taste, Natalie?
Good.
Is it spicy?
No.
Is it? Okay, let's see you eat some more. Look who we got here. Hi, little brother Dominic. That's Natalie's little brother. My grandson Dominic. It's not even hot for you? What's it taste like? Tell me.
It tastes pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
And then not spicy. And it's not spicy for me.
Really? What's your favorite foods?
Papaya, spicy noodles, and then pho and kapong.
Kapong? Ooh, okay.
Please subscribe my video and bye.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.